Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Now, today we're going to be talking about the markets overall. Now, listen, we got very big news coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, which is just in a couple of hours. And this will pretty much dictate whether or not, pretty much for all coins are going to be going down or up, right? So if PNG were to go down, we'd be filling up these imbalance areas and pretty much retesting off the tops. Now, if the news was good, then pretty much this area would become the new type of support and would start making our way up. And that is pretty much the same thing for many other coins, right? Now, momentum has died down a little bit over the last few days because I do believe the news will dictate it. Now, in the other videos, we have pretty much said, hey, look, this could be the bottom right now before the reversal, or we could be heading back down lower, which I said I do not want that, right? Absolutely do not want that. Right now, Bitcoin is pretty much at $57,500, a little bit more than that. But if we look at it and break it down, the analysis is still the same, right? I mentioned before how pretty much this candle was going to this candle and this candle was going to that candle, and how pretty much these are just order blocks, and usually order blocks can be a sign of a bottom and a potential reversal. Now, like I said, momentum has died down a lot and we're currently chilling in just kind of like no man's land. I do believe that we do need more data, and by more data I mean the news, right? So here's the thing, we did try breaking above this level, and we broke above, but then we kind of went back below it. So now we're currently just chilling. Now I did say also this could be kind of a support, right? A diagonal support, which is true. It is very, very true at this current moment. So a lot of indecision overall, and right now I still do believe the markets are overall going to be up. I have not sold any tokens. If anything, I have bought more over the last week and a half. I am still currently bullish on the market. Now, like I said, in terms of Bitcoin, if things do decide to go lower, right down here, this will be my final leg, okay, this area. Because the thing is, once we officially would break this area, then we're going to be looking to be sweeping, certain areas here, it's going to be a mess, and it's going to be an extreme confirmation on the higher time frame that we are reversing, right? Because as of right now, the main thing is, hey, look, there's some imbalance here, right? We have imbalance here, we have like an order block here, and then we have pretty much a support here. Let me actually just do this like this. We have a support on top, and we also have a little bit more imbalance, right? And that those are the main areas that could get filled. But the thing is, this is a key area over here. Actually, on the weekly, this area over here is the key area, because once we do break below this, that is pretty much the last confirmation we need that we are going to be going lower. So until further notice, right? Because the thing is, technically the markets could go below this, trade below this, kind of go sideways and trade back above. However, I do think this is the most crucial area, because if we do break below this area, then most likely we will be returning potentially all the way back to the 30s, which would be the craziest thing ever, because it would be so unorthodox for Bitcoin to do that, and it would be something completely new, okay? And then, personally, what does that mean? Well, that means the data is not relevant, right? All the previous data and the previous history of Bitcoin is not relevant because things are different. So it's going to raise massive red flags. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys next time.